Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue with the Windows update with the error code 0x800f0838, and it reads Windows update in standalone installer encountered an error with this code 0x800f0838. And with this error can prevent the successful installations of updates, leaving system potentially vulnerable or lacking the latest enhancement. The main reasons for this error are insufficient disk space, corrupt update components, and broken system files. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then type troubleshoot settings, and then click open. And then here at troubleshoot settings, and then you need to select other troubleshooters. At here at other troubleshooters, and then you need to select Windows Update, and on right side, and then you can see here the run. So you need to tap this run settings. And we will wait to complete the detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic process. And troubleshooting has completed, and then you can see here the result of scanning. So problems found. So this Windows update issues, there's one problems detected. If this problem is fixed, and then we have two option here, yes or no. So you can check yes if the problem is solved. If not, then click no. And then also you can view this detailed informations about this scanning. So once you do this at Windows Update Troubleshooters, and then close, and the other solutions we will do is to reset the Windows Update components. So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then type the CMD, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to right click and tap run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. So here at administrator command prompt, and then next step, then we need to enter and type this command keyword NATSH space WNSUC space reset. So just type this command keyword NATSH space WNSUC space reset, and then press enter. And successfully reset the WNSUC catalog, you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So after here at CMD, then we need to close, and then you need to restart your PC to fix the error. Alright, so once you're done for restarting the PC, and the other solutions we will do is to ensure relevant services are running. So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then type services, and then click open. So here at services and services local, and on right side, and then we need to find and locate this Windows update. So scroll down, and then find this Windows update. So once you find, and then all you have to do is to select, and then right click if it is already running, and then click restart. If the service is not running, and double click, and then open properties. So since this service is already running, and then click restart and wait to complete the restart process. So after that, so same here, and then you need to double click, and then here at general properties, startup type, and then select automatic, and then click apply, and then click OK. Alright, and the other keyword that we need to modify is the background intelligent transfer service. So scroll up, and then find this background intelligent transfer service. So same procedure, select, and then right click, and then check if it is already running or not. So since this service is not running, so all you have to do is double click, and then here at general properties, startup type, and then you need to select automatic, and then here at service status, then you need to click restart and wait to complete the start process, and then click apply, and then click OK. Alright, and the last keyword that we need to modify is the cryptographic service. So you need to find this cryptographic service. So same procedure, select and then right click, and then check if it's already running or not. And then this service is already running, and then click restart and wait to complete the restart process. And after that, so you need to double click at here at general properties, startup type, select automatic, click apply, and then click OK. Alright, so after here at services and then close, and then here at start menu, and then we need to restart again our PC. Alright, so click restart to fix the error. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix Windows Update with the error code 0x800f0838 and Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.